Testing your lipid profile. Take one of the Lipid Pro testing strips and insert and turn on the Lipid Pro monitor. Prepare the finger for the blood draw. Take an alcohol wipe, wipe the finger, and then use the lancet to draw the blood. Using the 3-prong tool, make sure that each tip is full with blood before adding to the Lipid Pro strip. Once the blood is added to the 3 wells, hold until each assessment appears on the screen, giving you your readings for your lipid profile. Using the metabolic app, you are now able to input your data for total cholesterol, HDL, LDL, and triglycerides.